So I just got off a call with a client and I'm sitting in traffic, so I decided it would be a great time to address the elephant in the room. So the elephant is artificial sweeteners. For all of you that are so obsessed with organic eating and eating natural, whole, organic foods, I want to tell you, everything you're eating, at the root of it all, is just chemicals. Chemicals, calories, protein, carbohydrates, it's all in packaging. And a lot of anything is a bad thing. Everything in moderation is what I always say. Any form of extremism, it can be a bad thing. It happens with religion, and it happens with nutrition. So if you're tired of misinformation, follow me, like and share.